There's a little known fan page feature I want to show you, and I'm pretty sure that it will be very helpful since you're running a local business. So here's the thing. If you post something on your fan page, it will be visible by virtually everyone. So the audience of a post is basically everybody, right? But here's what you can do. You can narrow the potential audience of your posts. So first of all, you have to enable this function. Now, if you're on your fan page, click on Settings, and then there's this setting here. Newsfeed audience and visibility for posts. The ability to narrow the potential audience for newsfeed and limit visibility on your posts is turned off. So this feature here is turned off by default. You have to turn it on. So click on Edit. Just check this box here and click on Save Changes. Great. Now, if you go back to your page, you can see that the symbol here appears. Now you can narrow the audience for this post. So if you click here, you can define your target audience. First of all, you can search interests. So if you say, I just want to reach a particular audience that is interested in a certain thing, right? Then you can go ahead and do it here. You can narrow down the age. Then you can also define the gender. Well, maybe you're running a promotion that is like geared towards women only, that they get, I don't know, 30% discount next Thursday. Obviously, men are not really interested in that type of offer, so don't bother them with it. Then just go ahead and select women. Or if you say, I just want to reach out to the ones who are at least 30 years old or between 30 and 40, go ahead and do that. Then you can even define the location a little bit more, and you can even define the language. So if you say, I just want to reach out to the Chinese-speaking folks living in New York or in Berlin, just go ahead and do that. If you're done, click on Save, and then just write a post, click on the Publish button, and that's the way to make your posts more relevant.